If one of the things that's holding you back from creating that YouTube channel or making that video is an aesthetic background, then this video is for you. I am going to walk you through step by step on how I create this background behind me, and this is not my place. Let's get started. I am going to walk you through very easy steps to make your content creation very easy. I am going to give you 2 tips to make sure that your background looks as real as possible. Okay, so number 1 is be sure to have your phone on a tripod so it doesn't move, because if you have your phone in a place where it's gonna be moving, when it comes to editing this type of video, it's going to be a bit harder for it to come out nicely. The second tip is don't do a lot of hand movements, because then it's not going to look real. Those are the 2 things that you have to make sure of. Make sure your phone is on a tripod, and 2, be sure that you're not moving a lot with your hands. I am going to show you 2 places where you can get aesthetically pleasing background that you can use for your channel. So number 1, this is one of my favorite one. Number 1 is go to a website called Ideogram. Ideogram.ai. When you go there, you basically just log in. I already have an account. I use this app for a lot of my stuff that I do. So I'm basically just going to log in. There's a paid account and there's also free accounts. For the free account, you have up to 10 images to create per day. So if you feel like you want to create more images per day, then you can get the pro account. But for me, I use the free account, so I don't really have much images to create. And so once we get on there, you click on the plus sign. Now describe the type of image that you would like to create. So for me, I'm just going to say create an aesthetically pleasing office room background. And now, so you can choose the aspect ratio that you would like. So you have about 6 options in here. So let's just go realistic, because we want it to be as realistic as possible. So now we just wait for it to do its magic, and normally it takes about 1 minute or less. So actually, let's see. Ooh, I like. Ooh, look what it created. That, and that. Holy moly, let's see. I like that, and I also like that. But you know what? For this video, let's do this one. So for this, every time you put in a prompt, right, it will also give you like a magic prompt that you can use to also create more videos, or more photos of whatever you created. So here is the magic prompt that it gave me. So I could copy that and paste it to create another background. But for now, let's just do this. So then you're gonna click on the 3 dots, and then it's gonna bring you to where you're gonna click on download. So PNG, that's the top high quality, 100%. For that one, you need a pro account, but you actually don't need that, because the quality is still going to be good regardless. So we're gonna download. Now I'm gonna click on that and go to my download and click on the folder. So now I'm going to click this share button here, and then I'm going to go to save image. Voila. But let's go, and I also want this one, so I'm also going to do the same thing. Download. Waiting for it to do its magic. It's downloaded. And then going to click on save image. Perfect. So that's it for here. Now we're going to go to CapCut. First, go ahead and open your CapCut app, click on New Project, add in the photo that you would like to use as a background, and then click on the plus sign to add in the video that you would like to use. Just make sure you go through the video to make sure it's the right one. So now I'm going to click on that video and look for the feature that says overlay, so then it can bring the video to the bottom. There we go. So I'm going to make sure I drag the photo that I added all the way down to the end of my video. Perfect. So now let's click on the video itself to remove the background and look for BG remover, that one. Now, so here's the thing. CapCut used to have this feature for free, and I just used it not too long ago. But today it is a pro feature, so it is getting a little bougie. But I have another app that I'm going to show you on how to do this absolutely free. Okay, so now we're just going to wait until the video loads the background. So here we go. Now it's all done. Click on the picture again, so we can click on effect to blur out the background. Scroll to your left until you see lens, click on there, and scroll down until you see blur, or you could just type it in the search space. So tap on that, so then it can give you the option to see how blur you would want it. So I'm just going through to see which one I would like. So adjust it according to your liking. If you like this video so far, guys, be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you. So as you can see, I think I like it a bit blur, but not too much. So now that that's done, I'm just going to make sure everything is good. If you don't have a pro account, don't worry. I'm going to show you another app in Shorts that you're going to use. So if you have a pro, just go ahead and export your file. So now download in Shorts. If you don't have, open my app, click on video, and then tap on new. Upload the photo first that you would like to use as a background. There, so now drag it all the way to how many minutes your video is. For me, it's just 48 seconds or 22 seconds. So just play with it until you get the right timing. So now I'm going to click on PIP, PIP. That's kind of like overlay for this app. And then click on the video that you would like to add. And then just drag it until you're satisfied to the position you would want it. And just drag it all the way so it fits perfect. Adjust. So I'm just going through to make sure it perfectly aligns. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to remove background. So I'm going to click on cutout, then click on cutout again. There we go. Now it's removed. You just have to wait until it's load. And then click on the check mark. So now just adjust it to how you want it. And here there is a feature that I also like that I'm going to show you on if you maybe want your background a bit like dim. You can use a feature called, one second, let me just swipe through. You can use the opacity feature basically just to dim it a little bit. But for me, I am not going to use that, but that's just another option if you would like. So you see how it works. And so I'm gonna undo that because I don't want that one. I just want to blur it. I'm gonna use the blur feature. It still looks nice. But for the blur feature, you're gonna scroll until you see effects. The star, click on that and click on effect again. And you're gonna swipe all the way to the left until you see styles. Style right there. Click on that and click on the blur effect. There we go. So now you can move it to see how you want it. For me, I just want it just a bit, or not too much again. Yeah, so just adjust it according to your liking. And that would be the last part. Just drag it over so it covers the whole video. There we go. Now it's perfectly aligned. Yeah, so just go over the whole video again to make sure you have everything perfect. And just click on the check mark when you're done. And then the next thing we are going to do is click on the export button, like the share button all the way up. And then it's going to bring you to this page to remove the watermark. So you could say remove once or get the pro feature, which for a lifetime is like $49 or I believe $6 a month. Click on 2K and export your video, and that's it. And there you have it, an aesthetic background. So now you can say, I can't film my YouTube video because I don't have a nice background. Now you do. So go ahead and film that video and start posting your content. If you enjoy this tutorial or you learned something new today, please go ahead and comment below to let me know how useful or helpful this tutorial was to you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also check out my other videos for more. See you on my next video.